channel. Today we are going to learn auxiliary verbs will or shall. There are 24 auxiliary verbs in English language. The auxiliary verbs are divided into two: primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. We already learnt primary auxiliary verbs. Today we are going to study modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries first will or shall. See, look at the body here. I wrote some sentences. Everybody knows the will and shall use in future tense. will और shall जो उपयोग करेगा, जो भविष्य काल में उपयोग करता है, will और shall के साथ जो जोड़कर हम लोग सेंटेंस जो बनाएगा, वह संभव भविष्य में होने वाला है. See, will or shall use with the I or we means subjects. I, we subjects shall के साथ उपयोग करता है. Rest of the complete subjects means you, he, she, it, any singular and plural, boys, girls, and singular boy, boys. That subjects used with the will. But problem is that I or we के साथ जो shall उपयोग करेगा, that is a normal future. I के साथ will use करेगा, ये strong future होता है. अभी कोई divide नहीं है. All subjects we can use with the will or shall, no problem. Slightly some changes, थोड़ा सा व्यत्यास होता है, दूसरा कोई व्यत्यास तो नहीं. I, we के साथ will उपयोग करेगा, that is a strong future. That's much. See, look at the body here. I wrote some sentences and with the Hindi meaning also. See, this is the positive sentence, this is the negative sentence, this is the question sentence. See, I wrote there. I shall go to Kerala. See, I is the subject, shall is auxiliary verbs, go is the verb. See, subject, auxiliary verb plus verb, main verb. This is auxiliary verb, this is main verb. Then another matter, will or shall के साथ verb first form उपयोग करता है. Means base form of the verb और root form of the verb, उसका कोई व्यत्यास नहीं. In the primary auxiliaries we use with the verb according to the auxiliary verb. I के साथ, see, I am के साथ ing form उपयोग करता है. Am is are के साथ ing form, was और were के साथ ing form. But has, have, had के साथ verb का third form means past participle form of the verb. Then in simple present tense we use the verb with yes or es or ies. But here is no problem. All verbs, the same verb means the present form of the verb. The will shall के साथ the verb first form उपयोग करता है. For example, go, write, read, think, eat, study. No need study, no need studies, no need wrote, no need written, only write. See, I shall go to Kerala, meaning मैं केरल जाऊंगा. I shall go to Kerala. See, I will go to Kerala. I shall go to Kerala. The normal future, मैं केरला जाऊंगा, लेकिन I will go to Kerala means that is a strong future. मैं जरूर केरल जाऊंगा. That's the meaning. That is a strong future. I के साथ will और shall भी यूज कर सकता है. I के साथ shall यूज करेगा, that is a normal future. Then I के साथ जो will उपयोग करेगा, that is a strong future. Means कोई भी निश्चित गारंटी के साथ ऐसे भी बोल सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I will call you. मैं आपको फोन करूंगा. मीन 100% मैं आपको फोन कॉल करूंगा. See, और shall उपयोग करें, that is a normal future. I shall go to Kerala. मैं केरला जाऊंगा. I shall call you. मैं आपको फोन करूंगा. I shall write a letter. मैं एक पत्र लिखूंगा. I shall write a letter. I will write a letter means the same meaning. मैं आपको एक पत्र लिखूंगा, लेकिन that is a strong future. मैं जरूर आपको एक लेटर पत्र लिखूंगा. These are the difference. I will or I shall. So you look at the word here. Then I shall go to Kerala. I told you that's a normal future. I shall call you. I shall write a letter. See, we shall help you. हम आपकी मदद करेंगे. See, we shall help you. We will help you. That's a strong future. We will help you. Strong future. We shall help you. That's a normal future. See, we shall buy a new car. Means हम एक नई कार क्या करेगा? खरीदेगा. Then we will buy a new car. That's a strong future. See, I shall not go to Kerala. मैं केरला नहीं जाऊंगा. That's a negative form. I shall not. Shall, the short form shan't. I shall not go to Kerala. I shall not call you. I shall not write a letter. We shall not help you. We shall not buy a new car. This is the same. It's a negative form. But question sentence is very essential. You study must very essential here. You study very carefully. Shall I go to Kerala? क्या मुझे केरल जाना चाहिए? Shall I take this? Shall I do this? Shall I open the door? Shall I open the window? See? Shall I call you? Shall I write a letter? Then, subject we. Shall we help you? Shall we buy a new car? Very simple. See, these are the ways we use with the auxiliary verb shall. Once again, I want to tell you, the shall we use, that's a normal future. Usually shall use with the I or we and we. Subject of I and we. But I के साथ और we के साथ will उपयोग करेगा. That is a strong future. So, we are going to study will. See, the use of will. See, he will come tomorrow. I have already said to you, will or shall use in the future tense. भविष्य काल. भविष्य काल means जो आने वाला दिन में, आने वाला समय में, आने वाला मिनट में, आने वाला सेकंड में जो होने वाली है. What is coming in the next minute, next second, next hours or next day. That is the future. See, he will come tomorrow. वह कल आएगा. See, he is the subject, will is an auxiliary verb, come is main verb. See, he will come tomorrow. वह कल आएगा. will come tomorrow. See, many sentences we can. See, she will invite you. वह आपको आमंत्रित करेगी. She will invite you. She will inaugurate the function. कोई प्रोग्राम को वह उद्घाटन करेगी. Prime Minister, our Prime Minister will inaugurate the function. हमारा प्रधानमंत्री फंक्शन को उद्घाटन करेगा. Means coming minute, coming days or coming hours. See, next step. You will pass the exam. आप परीक्षा पास करोगे. They will complete their projects. Raju will buy a new car. See, we can use the will or shall with many sentences that is coming in the future. I will bring flowers. I will buy a car. I shall go to market. See, many sentences we get. But normally we use I or we with the shall. But will we use करेगा I के साथ और we के साथ. That is a strong future. See, look at the board very clearly. And this negative this. See, he will not come tomorrow. वह कल नहीं आएगा. She will not invite you. You must write in your copy. It is very essential for you. Very simple technique or simple ways to learn. He will not come. He won't come. That's a short form. Won't, will not, won't. She will not invite you. She will not, you will not pass the exam. They will not complete their projects. Raju will not buy a car. See, these sentences are negative sentences. See, these are the question sentences. See, will he come tomorrow? क्या वह कल आएगा? Will he come tomorrow? Will she come tomorrow? Will she invite you? Will you pass the exam? Will they complete their projects? Will Raju buy a new car? See, look at the board clearly. And you write the Hindi also. Then we can ask will or shall with many sentences in the question sentence. Suppose in the class time, the teachers usually ask, shall we start? Shuru kare. Shall we start? See, will you help me? आप मुझे मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you call me? आप मुझे फोन करोगे? Will you help me? Will you call me? Will you come with me? Will you give me a favor? See, many sentences we can make. See, then we must study the use of will and shall. That is in the future tense. The future is foolish, means in the next time, means next second or next minute or next hours, next day, next week. What is coming in the next, that is the future. जो आने वाला है, that's the future. So we must study with the use of will or shall, and it is very useful sentences for you. See, some important questions for you. You can ask to others. You must ask others. See, will you help me? Will you help him? Will you help her? Will you help your father? Will you help your mother? Will you help your brother? See, will you call me? Will you call me? Shall we start? Shall I start? Shall I open the windows? Will you open the door? Will you bring my umbrella? these ways we use the will or shall. We can ask with the W or H question. What shall I do for you? What is WH question? Shall auxiliary verb, I subject, do main verb. What shall I do for you? Then we use the WH questions. The first write the WH questions, second auxiliary verb, third subject, then fourth verb. Then what shall I do for you? What will you do for me? When will we meet again? See, which school? See, these ways are we use the will or shall. We will study the later with the tenses. So I think that you got some advantages. If you got advantages, you make a comment or in the comment box, and please subscribe our channel. You will get the next video. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.